What's going on here, honey? Are we on?
We're on.
Live and kicking.
Live and kicking, baby.
All right. So yeah, we just got back from Tanaka Farms and we realized we have some Jamaican almonds here in the house. Mailman came across today and dropped off 2 packages for us. So excited as usual. We want to share with you guys opening of Jamaican almonds. Fresh out of Jamaica, Negril, Jamaica. Come on.
So if you're just joining us and maybe you don't know us or maybe you don't know what's wrong with us, we make Jamaican almond oil. So we make oil out of Jamaican almonds, and the almonds come
to us from Jamaica, Negril, Jamaica, to be exact, and we make the oil here in California, America. All right.
I'm going to close this curtain because it's giving me a really bad glare. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's much better. So we got almonds from Jamaica, shipped to us from Jamaica. So exciting. Come on, man. Open them up, man. Rip them open. Rip open the package.
We're doing just one, right?
Yeah, we can do this one. All right.
I'll save my stamps.
Yes, we always save the stamps.
Shipping information.
Yes, the customs receipt. Inspected by Jamaica Customs. Wow, we don't have one of these. Anything that says this. I like that. Okay, wow. So first America was inspecting our packages. Now
Jamaica
is inspecting them. That's all right. Nothing but good stuff in here, man. Stuff that Jamaicans throw away. So, right. So in Jamaica, these almonds are basically dashed away, for lack of a better word.
Yeah, they're garbage.
Yeah, they're garbage. So we have a crew that's in St. Mary's, and they actually crack the almonds and send them to Nigel's mom, and then Nigel's mom sends them to us, and then we turn them into, Nigel spins them into gold. So here they are. Yay! Oh, they look nice. Wow, yeah. They're huge.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, these are from some very mature trees, you can tell, because these grains are much bigger. The trees are at least 50 years old. Yeah. Yep, these are huge. Let's open this. Yep, looking good.
I can smell, just in the box, I can smell Jamaica.
Yeah.
May I?
Oh,
I dropped one. All right, so we got in our shipment. We've been getting a shipment like every 2 weeks.
Yep.
Man, we give thanks. We got Jamaican almond oil coming, a fresh batch. Just keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. We give thanks. Man, we give so much thanks.
Man. Yep. It's a blessing, you know. We've been trying for so long to get these almonds here shipped to us on a consistent basis, and it's been a lot of work. But it finally pays off. So we definitely give thanks for that. For you guys who are interested in in the almond flour, because I remember this morning on our previous live, I said that was our last 10 pound that Domino Kitchen has ordered from us. So now we have more almonds. This is 30 pounds of almonds. So I should end up with about 10 more pounds of flour out of this after I, go through it and work my magic. It's gonna take about a week before it's ready. But yeah, we have more almonds. That means we have almond flour and more goodies coming your way, more almond oil and more beard oil and all of that good stuff. All right? Yeah, man. So to show you guys real quick. So this is what the Jamaican almond looks like. And these, normally we use a hammer to crack these. But these guys in St. Mary, they don't use a hammer. They use a machete, right? So that's why if you notice, some of them is chopped in half. You can see some of them is whole and some is chopped. Because what they do is they actually chop the shell in two and then they get the almond out. So some of them end up cut and some of them comes out whole. So I guess, by chopping it, it goes a little faster than cracking it with a hammer. So that's how we're able to be getting so much like every 2 weeks, because 30 pounds in 2 weeks, that is a lot. We have another 40 pounds coming. It should be here in another few days. And as we say, man, give a thanks, because it really means a lot. This is a piece of Jamaica, traveling so far, coming here, and I have the privilege to share this with you guys. It's a blessing. Yeah, and definitely a labor of love. Yeah, man. So there you have it.
Thank you for joining us on our short live to open up our package of Jamaican almonds all the way from Jamaica.
These are mailing.
Wow.
Stuff. Yeah, man.
Love it. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Bless and love. And don't forget to visit our site,
www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com. Love and harmony, guys. Take care.
All right. Oh, wait. And we are having a sale right now. So if you want to order, we have 35% off.
Yes.
So visit our site, enter the code.
Labor Day, Labor of Love sales.
But the code is One Love. So you enter the code One Love and it's 30% off or 35% off.
35%.
Yeah, we're getting product in here.
Yep.
And
so
getting inventory so we can definitely get it out.
Yeah, definitely.
But only on a limited supply though, you guys. So
all right, guys. So,
all right. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for loving us. We love you guys too, and we will keep you updated.
Yes.
As we go along.
Yes. Right? And if you're in the Riverside, California area tomorrow, we will be at
the
Tyler Mall. So come and see us at Tyler Mall. We'll have some Jamaican almond oil, some good vibes, some good music. And Nigel definitely will teach you some things about Jamaica. He's just amazing. He teaches someone something every day there. Yeah. So, all right, guys.
Yeah. Jamaica is a part of me, and I am a part of Jamaica. So wherever I go, I spread Jamaica. That's it.
Amen.
Yeah, man. Enough love, guys, and harmony. All right.